The chief guest of today's function, Mr. Sanjay Jaju, Secretary Information Technology and Communications, my ITSAP colleagues, Brigadier Hari Kumar, Bipin and Ravi, past presidents of ITSAP, Management Committee of ITSAP, speakers, delegates, colleagues from industry, academia and media, ladies and gentlemen, a good morning to all of you. Hyderabad already became very hot because of various reasons, and hence a very warm welcome to ITSAP's annual SME Conference 2014. I think this is the best time to organize such a conference as we are about to close the current fiscal and enter the new one, that is 2014 and 15. As you might be aware, ITSAP has been at the forefront in terms of nurturing the SME growth in the state by working very closely with the government, working very closely with other academic and industry associations. You may recall that AP was the first state to come up with a special preferential policies for the growth of SMEs. If you look at the Indian IT industry today, there are more than 15,000 small-sized players, and this number is growing year after year. These companies today contribute to approximately 9 to 10% of the industry's output, and these companies are able to infuse the industry with both energy as well as innovation, whether it is in the area of digital, whether it is in the area of data sciences, cloud, artificial intelligence, e-commerce, education, agri, as well as banking and financial services. These innovations are also leading to a greater and mutually beneficial collaboration between large and smaller companies. And therefore, going forward, SMEs are expected to play a greater role in the growth of Indian IT industry. In fact, the revenue of SMEs is around 15 to 17% if you look at 2008 to 2012. And more importantly, in terms of employment as well, 18 to 20% of industry's employees are from SMEs and startups. AP offers a fantastic SME and startup ecosystem due to the collaborative and nurturing efforts of institutions like ITSAP and other academic institutions. AP has approximately over 10% of startups in the country, and this number is growing rapidly every day. I think AP is the third largest to host SMEs after Bangalore and Chennai. In fact, there are more than 230 companies operating in Tier 2 cities, whether it is Vizag, Warangal, Vijayawada, Kakinada and Tirupati, and we are very, very glad to note that most of them are startups or SMEs. During their journey of growth, SMEs might encounter various issues, whether it is related to market access, related to funding, talent acquisition and retention, the leadership development challenges, and acquiring domain and technological competencies. AP has taken the lead in taking up several initiatives to address these issues. More importantly, we have an exclusive leadership development program which has benefited many SMEs in the state. So far, SAP has been able to create and nurture more than 700 potential leaders, and most of them are from SMEs and startups. And we will continue to do this. And today's conference is aimed at learning to address some of these core issues by listening to some really very, very successful entrepreneurs, thought leaders, government officials. In fact, Mr. Sanjay himself is here, and also the industry experts. We have been able to line up some of the best speakers for you today, and incidentally, Mr. R. Chandrasekharan, who is the president of NASSCOM, is going to deliver the keynote address this afternoon. I now request my colleague Mr. Ravi Rao to spell out the details of this program, and here is wishing the entire IT industry a very best for the 2014 and 15. Thank you.